Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-allright. Today is the day 29 of our daily message. Today, I want to talk about something very real. No shortcuts. Para sa ating lahat, sa table tennis at sa buhay, laging no shortcuts. Maraming gustong gumaling agad. Gustong mabilis ang improvement. Gusto agad manalo, gusto agad makita ang resulta. But here is the truth. There are no shortcuts to success. Kaya kailangan natin lagi maging matyaga. Every strong player you see today, dumaan yan sa mahabang training. Dumaan sa pagkatalo, dumaan sa pagod at sakripisyo. Hindi yan instant. Hindi yan basta-basta meron ang isang tao ng ganun. Just like in your daily training. Paulit-ulit. Minsan boring, minsan nakakapagod. But there is where growth happens. So to all our kapongers out there, if you want to improve and to be the champion in the future, trust the process, respect the grit, embrace the hard work. So, because shortcuts may give you quick results, but they don't last. Hard work may take time, but it builds real strength. Lalo na yung consistency. And always remember, what you build slowly, you build strongly. So don't rush. Take time. Do not compare to others. It's you. You're the most important of all. Focus on your journey. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, please help me share this so we can reach more people. If you would like a short shout out, comment down below. For legitimate business promotion, feel free to message me. Let's continue